Dear Diary, my mind is starting to deteriorate. I've spent weeks, months alone in this house. The voices in my head, they just keep getting louder. But one voice stands out. That voice has become a visual. Powerful hallucinations. I know he's not real, but he just won't leave me alone.
I'm the puppet. Hey! Are you writing about me?
No, I wasn't. I was just...
Well, prove it. Show me what you're writing.
Yeah, let's see here. Dear Diary, voices, hallucinations.
You better tear that up right now. Don't tell anybody about me. I control you. This house is mine. You had your chance.
I feel trapped. Day in and day out. Being haunted by an imaginary puppet that I know doesn't exist, but looks and sounds so real. I know what I have to do. I have to silence him.
Well, look who's back. It's the loser. Hey. Hey, what's that? Ha! What are you gonna do with that, besides make me mad?
It's time for you to go away, puppet.
Look, you idiot. First of all, you're not gonna do jack shit. And second of all, I'm a figment of your imagination. If you shoot in this house, all you're gonna do is get the cops in here. And then they'll haul your sorry ass off once and for all. I'm in control here. I run this house. You can't do anything to me.
Maybe I should just get a job.
Wait, what? A job? No. Don't do that. No. No. No!
He's gone. He's finally gone. I'm free. All I had to do was seek employment. I'm finally free. Cutco Industries, how may I take your call? I do apologize about that. Let me... yes, yeah. Yes, I do apologize about that. And... oh. Man, I missed the puppet.